B for ball, B for boy, B for book and B for boat. C for cat, C for cake, C for cup and C for comb. D for duster, D for donkey, D for dwarf and D for dog. E for elephant, E for eye, E for eagle, E for eat. F for fish, F for fan, F for food and F for farmer. G for gun, G for breath, G for garden, G for goat. S for house, S for hen, S for horse and S for hunter. I for ice cream, I for ink, I for insect and I for image. J for juice, J for jug, J for jar and J for joker. K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for kingfisher, K for king. L for lotus, L for lion, L for leaf and L for lamp. M for monkey, M for mango, M for mat and M for mouse. N for nest, N for net, N for nose and N for nine. O for orange, O for octopus, O for ox and O for onion. P for parrot, P for penguin, P for pen and P for papaya. Q for quarrel, Q for queen, Q for question mark and Q for quilt. R for rose, R for river, R for rat and R for rabbit. S for sunflower, S for snack, S for sun and S for Sunday. T for tiger, T for toy, T for tree and T for tie. U for umbrella, U for uncle, U for unicorn and U for uniform. V for virus, V for violin, V for vote and V for van. W for woman, W for wolf, W for watch and W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree, X for zeros, X for xylophone and X for X-ray. Y for yoga, Y for yak, Y for yarn and Y for yards. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zoo and Z for zero.